With an estimated 7.77 million species of animals on the planet, the animal kingdom is an undeniably diverse place. But while the breadth of earthly biodiversity may be well known, the incredible things our animal counterparts can do are often hidden through humans. From furry creatures you never realized kissed to those who enjoy getting tipsy, these amazing animal facts are sure to wow the even biggest animal lovers out there. Koala fingerprints are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Koala might not seem to have a lot in common with us, but if you were to take a closer look at their hands, you could see that they have fingerprints that are just like humans. In fact, they are so similar when it comes to the distinctive loops and arcs that in Australia, police fear that criminal investigation may have been hampered by koala prints, according to Ripley's Believe It or Not. Parrots will selflessly help each other out. Parrots may be associated with pirates, but in turn out African grey parrots are nothing like infamously greedy, treasure-seeking criminals. Instead, researchers have discovered that the colorful birds will voluntarily help each other obtain food rewards and perform selfless acts according to a 2020 study published in Current Biology. Ghost crabs growl using teeth in their stomachs. Crabs may be able to intimidate other creatures with their claws, but if that's not enough, ghost crabs will growl at their enemies like a dog. However, unlike our canine friends, crabs make these fearsome noises using teeth located in their stomachs. There are three main teeth, a medial tooth and two lateral teeth, that are essentially elongated hard structures. They are a part of the gastric meal apparatus in the stomach where they rub against each other to grind up food. Jennifer Taylor from the University of California, San Diego told Newsweek she and her colleagues were able to nail down the source of the noise after noticing that the crabs were growling at them. The mantis shrimp has the world's fastest punch. You might think that the boxers have the most impressive jabs, hooks, and uppercuts on the planet, but it's the mantis shrimp that boasts the world's fastest punch, traveling at about 50 miles per hour when a shrimp punches its little fist of fury is accelerating faster than a .22 caliber bullet, according to Science. National Geographic shared the tale of one such smaller smasher, explaining that in April 1998, an aggressive creature named Tyson smashed through the quarter-inch thick glass wall of his cell. He was subdued by nervous attendants and moved to a more secure facility in Great Yarmouth. Unlike his heavyweight namesake, Tyson was only 4 inches long, but scientists have recently found that Tyson, like all his kin, can throw one of the fastest, most powerful punches in the nature. Female lions do 90% of the hunting, while male lions attract their fair share of attention thanks to the impressive manes. It's the female lions who do the bulk of the work when it comes to feeding their families. Lionesses, not male lions, do the majority of hunting for their pride, according to CBS News. Lionesses hunt around 90% of the time, while the male protect their pride. Narwhal tusks are really an insider tooth. Narwhals are unlike most other whales because they have what appears to be a giant tusk, but that's not actually a tusk at all. What you are seeing is a tooth. Harvard University's Martin Nevy told the BBC that the tooth is almost like a piece of skin, in the sense that it has all the sensory nerve endings, adding that it's essentially built inside out. The world's oldest known breed of domesticated dogs dates back to 329 BC. Dogs are well known for being man's best friend, and in turn out that's a relationship that goes back longer than you might expect. According to Guinness Books of World Record, the oldest known breed of domesticated dog goes all the way back to 329 BC. Saluki dogs were revered in ancient Egypt, being kept as royal pets and being mummified after death, they note. There are carvings found in summer which represent a dog closely resembling a Saluki, which date back to 7000 BC. The oldest evidence of domesticated cats dates back to 9,500 years. Cats have also been hanging around humans for thousands of years. Guinness World Records report that we have been domesticating cats for 9,500 years. Proof of this came in 2004 when the bones of cats were discovered in the Neolithic village. The position of the cat in the ground was next to the bones of a human, whose similar state of preservation strongly suggests that they were buried together. Puffins use twins to scratch their bodies. Puffins surely have enough to be proud of with their beautiful beaks, but the seabird also happened to be quite clever. According to a 2019 study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, Atlantic puffins in both Wales and Iceland were observed spontaneously using a small wooden stick to scratch their bodies. Indeed, in a video shared by Science, a little puffin can be seen picking up a tiny twig before using it to scratch an itchy spot on its belly. Bottlenose dolphins are even more right-handed than humans. Most humans are right-handed, a minority are left-handed, according to Scientific American, and the same holds true for bottlenose dolphins. In fact, the savage swimmers are even more right-handed than we are. A team led by Florida's Dolphin Communication Project took a look at the feeding behavior of bottlenose dolphin and found that the animals were turning to the left side 99.44% of the time, which actually suggests a right side bias, according to IFL Science. It placed the dolphin's right side and right eye close to the ocean floor as it hunts.